Hi, my name is Salvador Parra Romero. I'm from Córdoba. I am 29 years old, but like a grapevine, I get better on growing older, so no problem. About my studies, I have a degree of Laboral Relation and Human Resources, and this year I finished medium grade FP of Administrative Management, and I wanted to keep going with this FP because it gives me some points for positions because I'm preparing a position right now. In 2014, I got my B1 certificate of English. I wanted to get the B2 level of English, but I started with to get my car license and I couldn't at the end. Well, my goal with this studies, my goal is to work as an administrative worker in the Andalusian Health Service. And well, about me, I am a very nice person, very sociable. I like sports like tennis, golf, or simply going to the gym. And well, I think that's all what I had to say about me. So, greetings and bye.